day everybody. My presentation today is on Pietermaritzburg as a milieu of innovation. It is part of the Advanced Regional Planning course at the University of the Free State. Firstly, what is an innovative milieu? Our definition says that it is a socio-economic environment of a region which is brought about by the interaction of firms, institutions and labor. It portrays a collective learning process whereby firms within this milieu can improve and strengthen their innovative and creative capacities. This is done through the activity of participant actors, the mobility of labor, the interconnections between suppliers, customers and subcontractors, which are preferably face-to-face contacts enhanced by geographical proximity. Some characteristics. A milieu is competitive in terms of its local fabric. There is strong local entrepreneurship and close interaction and cooperation amongst the firms. It has highly innovative processes and products, relevant externalities associated with specialized labor markets also, and there are SMEs which are flexible. District economics within a milieu, what are they? Firstly, there are three: dynamic efficiency elements, information elements, and synergy elements. The first is whereby larger firms assist smaller firms in their innovative capacities, processes and products. The information elements, the second, is where there is easy exchange of information, direct contacts amongst participants, and minimal costs of the information. Synergy elements, the third, is where there is increase in the innovation capacity within the milieu through more interaction amongst the locals, and as well as interaction with other key players such as universities, research centers, consumers, etc. Key actors and participants within a milieu, who are they? They are the universities, research and development centers, entrepreneurs, business groups, government, networks with outside stakeholders, parent companies in other countries, external centers of knowledge and technology, and communities which are affected by this milieu, as well as funding agencies. Levels of innovation and synergies required for milieu. Basically, research says that there are four levels which can be equated to a milieu, and these it starts off whereby there are no innovativeness, no synergies, and that's where there is no milieu, and moving up to high innovativeness and high synergies, which forms the milieu. Now, why is Pietermaritzburg a potential milieu? Well, in terms of the last diagram, it says that a potential milieu is formed where there is high synergies but little innovation. Now, Pietermaritzburg has a fair amount of synergies but with little innovation. It is also an aspirant metropolitan, and definition says that metropolitan regions and sites are innovative systems and most important locations for innovation. Pietermaritzburg portrays spatial, technological, institutional proximity and specific resources which are identical to that of a potential milieu. PMB also has a more competitive local fabric when compared to its peripheral counterparts in other municipalities. There is good local entrepreneurship, a good degree of skilled labor in the area, engineers, scientists, etc. There are numerous tertiary institutions, as well as technological use in the local firms, industry and businesses. There is also an establishment of a local forum. It is the Mzinduzi Innovation and Development Institute, more commonly known as MIDI, and this has been established between the municipality, the Pietermaritzburg Chamber of Business, as well as the University of KwaZulu-Natal. This is a map of the city of Pietermaritzburg showing the existing road infrastructure as well as some other linkages. For purposes of this proposal, two important firms stimulating innovation in PMB will be discussed. That is Hulamin for aluminium products and Sherlock, which is alarm system technology using aluminium components. Both have high innovative processes and products. Hulamin also gave rise to two smaller firms, that is All-Tube and Aluminium Foil Converters, which are aluminium companies as well. There is some interaction amongst these firms, but further interventions are necessary to enhance these further. This is a picture of the Hulamin Industrial Factory in Mkondeni in Pietermaritzburg. This is Sherlock Alarms at another area, Willerton in Pietermaritzburg. So, coming to my proposed development plan for Pietermaritzburg as a milieu of innovation. What the plan actually says is that there must be active consultation via MIDI to build consensus regarding the establishment of an innovative milieu, and to actually co-opt the constituent parties to become involved. The tertiary institutions such as the University of Natal, Durban University of Technology, and the FET training colleges need to also come to the party to stimulate social relations and frame the activities of production, consumption, and exchange within Pietermaritzburg. The initial focus as part of this plan is on the aluminium industry, and hence the promotion of links between Hulamin and other aluminium companies such as Sherlock, Toyota, etc., to make more use of aluminium parts in vehicles. The plan also proposes that there must be establishment of physical and IT linkages between the actors to provide feedback and interaction amongst these, and Mzuduzi, MIDI, and the local entrepreneurs must play important roles here. There must be the development of more research and development institutions to actually enhance the products and processes within the milieu. And what we're recommending here is that such centers must be close to the aluminium industries such as Hulamin and Sherlock. There must also be more enhanced networks and IT linkages between the firms, the actors, and the institutions, and these can be done through the Neotel optic fiber cables, which are currently being laid out in Pietermaritzburg. The municipality, Mzuduzi municipality, must also consider incentives such as rates, rebates,